Yeah, as for MA1 1H paper, May 2025. Okay, so let's go for the first question. Yeah, the table gives information about the distance 100 adults travel to work. 0 to the details are given, so write down the model class. See, the most higher frequency is 40. This is going to be the 5 less than d less than or equal to 10. This is the model class. Work out an estimate for the mean distance. So we are going to find the mean. So first we need to take the midpoint. So 0 to 5, the midpoint, just add up 0 plus 5 over 2, so it's become 2.5. so 2.5 times 26. Then here is 7.5, so 7.5 times 40. Then 12.5 is a midpoint. 12.5 times 16. Next midpoint is 17.5. 17.5 times 10, and 22.5 times 8. So his calculator get the value. So 65, 300, and yeah, 200, 175, 180. So mean going to be just add up everything and divided by 100, because 100 adults total frequency is going to be 100. So just add up everything. So 65 plus 300 plus 200 plus 175 plus 180 is going to be over 100, so which is equal to 920 over 100, which is equal to 9.2. So the answer going to be 9.2 kilometer. Question number 2. Anna makes cups. Each cup costs 6 Swiss francs to make. Anna puts the cup into the boxes to sell. Each box contains 4 cups. So Anna sells 80 boxes of cups for a total of 2160. Okay, work out the percentage for profit. So you're working clearly, so you need to show all your working. Okay, so each cup cost is 6. So one box contains 4 cups. So one box contains 4 cups. So the cost is going to be, each cup is 6. So 4 times 6 equal to 24 Swiss francs. Okay, so next, like that, total 80 boxes. So 80 boxes cost is going to be 80 times 24, which is equal to 1920. This is the making cost, but selling 2160. So we are going to find the percentage. Profit percentage is going to be, profit percentage we need to find, because how much is the profit is going to be 2160 minus the product cost 1920 over the original amount. The product of 1920 times 100. So when you subtract, you will get 240 over 1920 times 100. The answer is going to be 12.5. So 12.5 percentage is profit. Next, the height of each cup is 9 centimeter. Correct the nearest centimeter. Write down the lower bound of this height. So just 0.5 up and 0.5 down. So here just take away 0.5, which is going to be 8.5. So the upper bound is going to be 9.5. The lower bound is going to be 8.5. Okay, next, the height of each cup is 120 gram. Correct nearest 10. Here nearest 10 gram. Okay, so write down the upper bound. So nearest 10 grams, so make it half, 5 grams up and 5 grams down. So upper bound is going to be 125 and the lower bound is going to be 115. So 5 grams up and 5, so upper bound is 125 grams. Okay, The next question, question number 3. AB and BC are two sides of the regular polygon. AB and BC, two sides of the regular polygon with n sides. Work out the value of n, show you're working clearly. So first we need to find angle B. So angle B equal to 360, because entire this three angle is going to be angle around the point is going to be 360. So 360 minus 148 plus 50, which is going to be 162. This is going to be the interior angle. So now number of sides, the formula is going to be number of sides of the polygon equal to 360 divided by exterior angle. Exterior. So how to find the exterior? This is interior. So exterior equal to 180 minus the interior. Interior is 162. Just do 162. We'll get exterior, which is going to be 18. Okay, now see. So number of sides of the polygon 360 divided by 18, which is going to be 20. So this polygon has 20 sides. So the answer is going to be n equal to 20. Okay, the next question, question number 4. X power 5 times x power 7 equal to x power m. Find m. So x power 5 times x power 7. So when it's times, we can add the exponent. So 5 plus 7 equal to x power m. So x power 12 equal to x power m. So m equal to 12 here. Next, when we divide the exponent, we have to subtract. So y power 8 minus 3 equal to y power n. So y power 5 equal to y power n, which is n equal to 5. So 5 is the answer here. Next one, simplify fully. The cube belongs to the entire thing. So which is 5 cube a power 4 whole cube and r square whole cube. 5 cube is 125, and this we have to multiply. So a power 12 and r power 6. That is answer 125, a power 12 and r power 6. Next, in a sale, the normal price are reduced by 28%. The sale price of a watch is 198 euros. Work out the normal price. So the normal price will take us x times the reduced. So 100 minus 28. So which is 100 minus 28% equal to 198. So x times 72, because percentage is over 100 equal to 198. So x into 0.72 equal to 198. So x equal to 198 over 0.72. The answer is going to be 275. So the answer is 275 euros. The next question number 6. Solve x minus 4 equal to 3 plus 2x by 6. First I'll bring 6 to the left side. So which is 6 into x minus 4 equal to 3 plus 2x. Expand 6x minus 24 equal to 3 plus 2x. So rearrange the terms, all x one side. So 6, this 2x, when I'll bring left side, so it's negative 2x, and 3 already here. This 24, bring it right side, is going to be positive. So here is 4x equal to 27. So x equal to 27 over 4. So 27 over 4 is the answer. Next one, factorize. So when we multiply, here is 1. When we multiply, we have to get 30. When you add both the numbers, we have to get negative 11. So the factors are negative 6 and negative 5. When you add up negative 11, when you multiply, we have to get 30. So y square minus 6x minus 5x plus 30. First two terms, sorry, everything is y, so there is no x. The first two terms, y is out, so y minus 6, and exactly write the same here, so which is negative 5. So y minus 5 times y minus 6 is a factor here, y minus 5 and y minus 6. And next, the same equation we need to solve. So the factors, this we can write as a factors like y minus 5 times, so I'll erase this, y minus 5 times y minus 6 equal to 0. So we can write separate y minus 5 equal to 0 or y minus 6 equal to 0. From here y equal to 5 and y equal to 6. The final answer y equal to 5 comma y equal to 6. Next, question 7. Here is a solid cylinder. Okay, the height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter, and the the radius of the cylinder is 8 centimeter, and the height of the cylinder is h. The volume of the cylinder is 3892. Work out the value of h. So first, volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So volume is given already, 3892, and the radius also is given. Volume is 3892 equal to pi into 8 square times h. So we need to find out h. So 3892, because multiplication 8 square times pi equal to h. So h equal to, the answer is 19.35721 equal to h. So correct one decimal place, so which is around by here. So 19.4 equal to height. So we got the height is 19.4. The next question, all right, 520 million in standard form, 520 million. So 520, 000 and 000. Standard form, we have to from left one decimal place here. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 places. So 5.2 times 10 power 8. 5.2 times 10 power 8. So next one, right, 8.79 times 10 power minus 5 is ordinary form. So negative 5, so the decimal has to go back. So here already one number, so 40 must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 9. That's the answer, 0.123487 Next, work out and your answer in the standard form. So it's all multiplication. So 5 times 10 power 42 times 7 times 10 power minus 180. 5 times 7 is 35 times. So this multiply time, the exponent should add. So 42 plus minus 180. So 35 times, so we'll get 10 power minus 138. So next we have to give the answer in the standard form. So one place decimal here, so we should add 1. So 3.5 times 10 power minus 138 plus 1, which is going to be 3.5 times 10 power minus 137 is the answer. 3.5 times 10 power minus 137. Next, question 9. ABCD is a trapezium with one line symmetry. Angle D is given and the side AD is given and side DC is given. Work out the area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium formula, trapezium, A plus B by 2 times H. A and B are the parallel sides, this side and this side. So here the top side is, the measurement is missing, also the height is missing. So I'll draw a height here. This is the height. So I'm going to draw another height also here. From here I'm going to find the missing sides. Okay, first we are going to find the height. This height I will take as x, this length I will take as y. First I'm going to take triangle AD, this one, So here no name. Okay, so first I'm taking this triangle. Here the opposite side, since angle is here, the opposite side, so I'm using sine ratio. Socket 2, I'm using sine 60 equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is hypotenuse is 12, because this is 90 degree, opposite of 90 degree going to the hypotenuse, x over 12. So 12 sine 60 equal to x. Sine 60 is root 3, yeah, root 3 by 2. So 12 times root 3 by 2 equal to x, which is 6 root 3 equal to x. The height we got. Then I'm going to find the y, because there is 2 equal y. So here they said one line symmetry. This is symmetry line here, that means exactly same. So this AD and BC is the same measurement. Okay, so I'm going to find y. I'm going to use cos. So cos 60 equal to y over 12. Cos 60 equal to y over 12, which is 12 into cos 60 equal to y. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 12 times 1 by 2 equal to y. So 6 equal to y. So we got y, and we got x also, the height also we got. So this is 6 and this is 6. So this length is going to be, which is 47 minus 12. So we have to remove this side, this. So 47 minus 12 going to be 35. Okay, this length is 35, so here is 35. Now we got all the sides up, and parallel sides we got, also height we got. So now we are going to do trapezium. Area of the trapezium, equal to parallel side, which is the top one is 35 plus bottom one is 47 over 2 times the height is going to be 6 root 3. Use calculator and get the value, which is 426.0844. Okay, 3 significant figure is given. So when you round up by 3 numbers, so which is 426 is the answer. So final answer going to be 426 centimeters square. Next, question 10. Complete the table. So most of the values are given, so 2 values are missing. So minus 3, just substitute here minus 3. So minus 3 whole cube plus 2 into minus 3 plus 3. So the answer is minus 30. So first one is minus 30. Second one, again here 2 is missing, so just substitute 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 3. The answer is going to be 15. So here is 15. Now just plot these values here. Minus 3 minus 30. Minus 3 minus 30 is here, and minus 2 minus 9. Minus 2 minus 9 is going to be here. Next, minus 1 0 minus 1 0 is going to be here, and next 0 comma 3, it's going to be 10 1 2 3, it's going to be here. Next, 1 comma 6 1, then 6 here. Next, 2 comma 15 2, and 15 is here. Then 3 36 3 and 35 36. So just draw the graph curve. Okay, we cannot use the ruler, just freehand drawing. It has to connect all the points. Sorry, here I couldn't draw proper. Okay, so with the hand. Okay, so yep. Okay, the next question 11. OAC is a sector of a circle, center O, uh, angle AOC equal to 140 degree, OA equal to OC, because radius is same. 16, calculate the area of the sector. Area of the sector formula is C area of sector equal to theta over 360 into pi r square. So here theta is here, what is angle? 140 degree over 360 times pi into radius is given, which is 16 square. So the answer is going to be 312.76300, but three significant figures, so answer is 312. After decimal 7 is there, so we should add 1 here, so 313 centimeter square. Next question, 12 expressed in a single fraction. So we have to do the LCM. Okay, so multiply 6x here, multiply 4 here. 5 into 6x plus 4 into x minus 3 over 4 times 6x, which is 30x plus 4x minus 12 over 24x, which is 30 plus 4, 34x minus 12 over 24x. So from here we can bring only 2 is common, bring 2 outside, so which is 17x minus 6 over 24x. So this 2, this become 12. That's the final answer, 17x minus 6 over 12x. Next one, yeah, child bought a child bought apartment for like 750 thousand. In the first year the value of apartment decreased, so 4% decrease mean the worth is only 96%. Then second year is decrease 6.4, so 100 minus 6.4, which is 93.5. Okay, in the third year the value of apartment increased, so increased means 100 plus x percentage. Okay, increased, it will go above 100, decrease we have to subtract 100 minus. So at the end of third year the value of child apartment was this. Okay, so first 750,000, first year it is decreased 96 percentage, which is 0 point, because 96 by 100, that means 96 over 100, which is 0.96. First year 0.96. Same thing, the second year it's going to be 0.935, because 93.5 percentage when you divide by 100 is 0.935. Third year, which is 100 plus x percentage, equal to 698,445. Now I'll leave only the 100 plus x percentage left side, the rest I'll bring it right side. 698,445 over this number 750 times 0.96 times 0.935. So here left side I can write 100 plus x over 100, because percentage is, so right side the answer is 1.0375. Okay, 751485. So this is not required, but still I'll write. Okay, next 100 plus x, when you bring the 100 to right side is going to be multiplication, so it's going to be 103.751485. Okay, next x equal to 103.751485 minus 100, which is going to be 3.7514. This is, work out the value of x, this is a percentage, which is going to be 3.75 percentage. So x equal to 3.75 is increased. Next one, Ricardo is going to play one game for badminton and one game for tennis. Okay, he can either win or lose each game. The probability of win the game of badminton is 0.3. So losing is 3.3, because when we add up the probability, we have to get 1. So in the probability of win the game of tennis 0.6, so losing is 0.6. So first one is the badminton. So win is 0.7, so the lose is 0.3. Same thing, tennis, the win is 0.4, so 0.4, the lose is 0.6. Same thing here, 0.4 and 0.6. Okay, so next, work out the probability that you're going to lose us both the games. So loses, see, lose, this is lose, again lose, both the games are loses, is going to be 0.3 times, when we say and, so we have to multiply, so 0.6, which is equal to 0.18. So answer is 0.18. Next question 15, root 3 whole power 5 equal to k root 3. So final answer we have to leave as k into root 3. So root 3 whole power 5. So we can write um, root 3 whole power 4 into root 3. So this is a power 5, we can write a power 3 into a power 2. So same thing here, I have written like a power 4, so a power 5 equal to a power 4 and a power 1, the same rule I used here. So root 3 power 4, so root 3 times 2 into 2, we can write 1 square become 3, so 3 square into root 3, so 3 square into root 3, which is equal to 9 root 3. So k equal to 9 is the answer here, which is equal to k root 3. So instead of k, there is 9. Next one, show that 21 by 3 minus root 2 can be written in the form of c plus 2. So show your each stage of working. So rationalize the denominator, 21 over 3 minus root 2 times the opposite sign. So 3 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 2. Numerator, when you multiply 21 times 3 is going to be 63 plus 21 root 2 over here. Just multiply this one here, like 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2, so which is 3 times 3 9, plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2, then minus root 2 times root 2 is 2, so this got 0, so it's going to be 7 here. So denominator going to be 7. So numerator, I can bring 7 outside, is a 9 plus 3 root 2 over 7. So 7 got cancelled. The answer 9 plus 3 root 2. But our answer, we have to give c plus root d. So there is no number here. Here no number, though we have to bring inside. So 9 plus, when this number will take inside, which is become 3 square, so which is 9 times 2. So 9 plus square root of 18 is the answer. 9 plus square root of 18. Next question, f of x and function question. So find f of 9. So f of 9 equal to, just substitute x equal to 9. So 9 minus square root of 9, which is 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. 6 is the answer. Next, f of x, f g of x less than 0. G in f. So g we are going to substitute in f. So f g of x equal to g in f. So 9 minus, instead of x we have to put g of x, 4x square, which is 9 minus, so when you take square root, 2x. Okay, so the condition is less than 0, so 9 minus 2x is less than 0. So less than 0. So minus 2x less than minus 9. I'll bring 9 to this side, so both the side negative, so I'm going to multiply a negative, so which is 2x. The sign will change, so 2x greater than 9, x is greater than 9 by 2, so x is greater than 4.5. We can leave the answer 9 by 2 or 4.5, both are right, so x greater than 4.5. Next question 17. The histogram shows the information about the uh, times in minutes that some people were in a shop. Work out the estimate for the proportion these people who were in the shop more than 40 minutes. See, more than 40 minutes, this number of people over the entire people, that is proportion. So first we have to calculate entire people. First 0 to 10. How many men they are staying, like 2.5. So proportion is, first we calculate the entire thing. First 10 times the duration is 10, so the width is 10. 10 equal to, so we are calculating frequency equal to width times frequency density. So 10 times 2.5, which is equal to 25. Next duration going to be only 5, this one. So 5 times 4, which is equal to 20. Next one is going to be here to here. This is 15 is there. 15 times the top is like 3.5, 3.6. 3.6 equal to 54. Next is 10. 10 like how many? No, next duration going to be here to here. We can take is 20. 20 times 0.5, which is 10. Next one going to be 10 times, what is the length, like 1.7. So 1.7 is going to be 17. This is the total frequency is going to be, when you add up all, we'll get 126. Now we are going to calculate only above 40. Above 40, first here is 10. So 10 times 0.5, it's going to be 5. Next again 10. 10 times 1.7 is going to be 17. So here the frequency is going to be 22. So we need to do the proportion. Proportion is like 22 over 126. So go for the lowest term, which is 11 over 63. That is the answer, 11 by 63. Next question 18. Y is inversely proportional to x cube. So y to 1 by x cube. So when you make it equal, so k we have to multiply x cube. So value is given, y equal to 4 and x equal to 3. So 3 cube, 4 times 3 cube equal to k. So the answer 4 times 27 is 108 equal to k. So now this equation become, just substitute here. So y equal to 108 over x cube. Now work out the value of x when y equal to 864. So 864 equal to 108 over x cube. So x cube equal to 108 over 864. So x equal to cube root of 108 over 864. So the answer is 1 by 2. Yeah, you can leave answer 1 by 2 or 0.5. So 0.5. Okay, the next question. The equation of a curve is y equal to f of x. There is only one minimum point of this curve. The coordinate of the minimum point is 8, minus 12. So minimum is 8, minus 12. So here coordinates of the minimum point is a translation. Here there is no x, there is no change, only y adding 3. So 8, and when we add up 3 here is going to be negative 9. So 8 negative 9. Next, the x2x, so when the bracket inside 2 comes, we have to make it opposite. So here is a multiply, so we need to divide the x by 2. So become x divided by 2, which is 4 and negative 12. That's the answer. Okay, next question 20. Okay, work out the value of BC. So we need to calculate this length. Okay, for that, here no right angle. Obviously we are going to use sine and cosine rule. So first we will use the left side triangle, then we'll find out BD. From here we'll find out BC. So left side triangle, what is given? So here there is no pair, so we are going to, if at least one pair, one angle and opposite side is given, we can go for sine rule. So here no pair is given, so we are going for cosine rule, which is BD. We need to find BD. So BD square equal to, the cosine rule going to be a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos a. This is cosine rule. So b and c are the two sides, okay, which is 9.4 square plus 12.8 square minus 2 into 9.4 into 12.8 into cos BD's opposite angle is 72, so cos 72 degree. So BD equal to square root of the entire thing. So 9.4 square plus 12.8 square minus 2 into 9.4 into 12.8 into cos 72, which is equal to 13.33559. So we got the BD side. Okay, so next side, see now we got this is 13.335. We have a pair. See, this is the pair. We have one angle and the opposite side, so we can use the sine rule here. So side 13.33559 over the opposite angle going to be sine 54. This is, we are using sine rule, sine 54 equal to we need to find BC over sine 39. BC over sine 39. So we need BC, so 13.33559 times sine 39 over sine 54 equal to BC. Use calculator, get the value. The answer is going to be 10.373525. So the question is given correct 3 significant figures. So I'm going to do 3-digit answer, which is I need to round up here. So the next number is 7. So I add 1. So 10.4 is the answer. 10.4. So 10.4 centimeter. Next question number 21. A box contains 20 counters. 9 of the counters are red, 7 of the counters are yellow, 4 of the counters are green. Alex takes a random 3 counters from the box. Work out the probability that exactly 2 of the counters are the same color. 2 of the 3 counters. Okay, the chance is going to be like 2 colors, red, yeah, red, Y, and red. Next, red, green, and Y, red, and Y, green, and green, R, green, Y. This is one combination. From here, each one having three combinations. So first one we can change like R, Y, R. Then we can go for Y, R, R. Like this, when you do each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, so 6, 6, 6. So there is 18 combination. It is too high. So what I'm going to do now, total probability is going to 1. 1 minus, I'm doing all others. We got to calculate actually this. Instead of that, I can remove the not required things, okay, which is probability of, like we want only 2, so I'm removing this all 3 are P of Y, 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 or P of G, 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 or there are 6 variation of like R, Y, G, because single one also we don't want. What is the 6 variation? 6 variation is going to be this one, R, Y, G, because a single one, R, G, Y, G, Y, R, G, R, Y, Y, R, G, Y, G, R. This all not required. These things also all same colors not required. R, 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 Y, 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 and G, G, G. This all I'm going to remove. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So 1 minus probability of R. R is, there are 9 red counters are there. First 9 over 20 out of 20 times. Next one we already be picked, so it's going to be rest 18 over, so 19 will be there. Then sorry, 7 over 18 plus R is plus, then Y there are 7, same thing, 7 by 20 times 6 by 19 times 5 over 18, then again R plus green. So I'll remove this side. Okay, plus next green is 4, so 4 over 20 times 3 over 19 times 2 over 18, plus next 6 variations of red. Red is 9 over 20 times 7 over, it can be 3 different colors, so different colors I'm removing here, 4 over 18. Okay, so 1 minus, so 504 over 6840 plus 210 over 6840 plus 24 over 6840 plus 6 into 252 over 6840. 1 minus, so taking LCM, which is 504 plus 210 plus 24 plus 1512 over 6840, which is equal to 1 minus 2250 over 6840, so which is 51 over 76. That's the final answer, 51 by 76. Next, question number 22. So it's a simultaneous equation. So this y we are going to substitute in the first equation. So x square plus 3 into x plus 2. Wherever y is there, we are going to substitute x plus 2 plus y square. So x plus 2 whole square equal to 7. So expand everything. X square plus 3x plus 6 plus x plus 2 whole square, so which is x plus 2 times x plus 2, which is x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4, which is x square plus 4x plus 4. So x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 7. So 2x square plus xx, 7x plus 10 equal to 7. So next line, 2x square plus 7x. This bring this 7 left side, is become 10 minus 7, which is 3 equal to 0. So now quadratic solving, which is multiply time 2 times 3. So multiply time we have to get 6, addition time we have to get 7. So the factors are 6 comma 1. So 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. So bring 2x out, x plus 3. So write the x plus 3 here, so which is plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So first part equal to 0, then 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Same here, x equal to negative 3. We got two x values, so we are going to find y now. So first I'll take x equal to negative 1 by 2. X equal to negative 1 by 2. So substitute in second equation y equal to x plus 2. So y equal to x plus 2. X is minus 1 by 2 plus 2, which is going to be minus 1 plus 4 by 2. So which is 3 by 2. Okay, so y equal to 3 by 2. Then next x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3, y equal to x plus 2. So y equal to minus 3 plus 2. So y equal to minus 1. So the answer is, final answer you must write here. First x equal to minus 1 by 2, the y is going to be 3 by 2. Then x equal to minus 3, the y is going to be minus 1. That's the final answer. Next, question 23 is a vector question. So OAB is a triangle, P is the midpoint, so 1:1, and Q is the point on OB. A, B, R and R straight lines. Okay, these two are straight lines. Okay, OA equal to 12A, OA equal to 12A, and OB equal to 8B. Here 8B. So find AB. This is 12A, that is 6A, 6A. Here the entire is AB. So AB equal to vector equal to AB. So AO plus OB. AO is AO. So OA is given, that is 12. AO is going to be negative 12A plus OB is going to be 8B. So the answer is negative 12A plus 8B. Next one, AB ratio BR. AB ratio BR is 1:2. This is 1:2. AB we calculated, which is minus 12A plus 8B. So 1:2 is going to be double. So BR is going to be minus 24A plus 16B. Okay, so OQ equal to NB. So only this area, only this length is going to be NB. Okay, so what we need to find, use a vector method to find the value of n. Okay, so PQ is the common line. First we need to find PR. PR equal to PA plus AB plus BR. PA plus AB plus BR. That is, PA is going to be, that is positive 6A, and 6A, yeah, AB equal to minus 12A plus 8B minus 24A plus 16B. So when we add together, we'll get the answer like 6a minus 12a become minus 6a minus 24, so minus 30a plus 8b plus 16b plus 24b. So we got PR. Okay, so PQ is the common point. So first PQ, I will go like this point, PO plus OQ. Second PQ, so I know the PR, so some ratio of PR. So first I'll take PQ equal to some ratio of PR. So first part, PQ is the common point, so I'm taking PQ equal to, already we took n, so M into PR. So M into PR already given, minus 30A plus 24B. So when we multiply, minus 30 MA plus 24 MB. Next I will find another PQ. And the other way, PQ is PO plus OQ. PO plus OQ. So PO is like a down to up is going to be negative 6A plus NB. Negative 6A plus NB. Okay, now this is one of the PQ, this is another PQ, so left side is equal, right side I can make it equal. So minus 30 MA plus 24 MB equal to this equal minus 6A plus NB. So equate both A terms and B terms. First A term I'll equate, which is minus 30 M equal to minus 6. So M equal to minus 6 over minus 30, which is 1 over 5. M value I got it. Next, B 24 M equal to N. So we want N, so 24 times M value, just substitute here. M is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 equal to N. So which is 24 over 5 equal to N, which is 4.8 equal to N. So N value is 4.8. Next question 24. An arithmetic series has 30 terms. The first term is A, the common difference is D. So first term going to be A, the difference going to be D. The 20th term is 123. So A20 equal to 123. Next, what is given? Sum of the 30 terms is, so S30, sum of that 2880. So term formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of nth term formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The second formula will be given in the formula sheet. The first formula won't be given, so we need to write. Okay, first a term formulas, a20 equal to 123. So 120, a20 equal to, the formula is going to be a plus n minus 1. So 20 minus 1 is 19b. A20 is given already 123. So what you can write, a plus 19d equal to 123. This is our first equation. Then we go for the second one, S30 equal to, so just substitute the formula, S30 equal to, this is 30 over 2 into 2a plus 30 minus 1, which is 29d. So S30 is given already 2880. 2880 equal to 15 into 2a plus 29d. So 2880 over 15 equal to 2a plus 29d. So here this is 192. 192 equal to 2a plus 29d. This is our second equation. This is B. Okay, so see, we are using simultaneous equation. First equation I'll multiply by 2 because here is 2a, so this one I'll multiply by 2. So I'm using elimination method. 2a So the equation multiply by 2 times 2a plus 19 times 2, which is 38d, equal to 246. Now the second equation I'll write as it is, which is 2a plus 29d equal to 192. So I'll subtract both the equations. So 2a minus 2a is 0. 38 minus 29 is going to be 9d equal to 246 minus 192 is going to be 54. So D equal to 54 over 9. So D equal to 6. So we got D value. So A value is any one of the equations. Just substitute. I will pick the first equation. That will be easier. A plus 19D equal to 123. So A plus 19d. So 19 times d value we know, 19 times 6 equal to 123. So a plus 114 equal to 123. So a equal to 123 minus 114. So a equal to 9. So we got a value and we got d value. A equal to 9, a equal to 9, d equal to 6. Next, question number 25. PQRS is a square. PR is a diagonal of the square. So I'll draw here one square. PQRS. PR is the diagonal. So this is the diagonal. Obviously, there is other diagonal as well. Okay. P and R. This is 4 comma 7 P, and this is 8 comma minus 5. Okay, find the equation straight line passing through Q and S, the other diagonal. So we need to find the other diagonal equation. So we need to find SQ equation. You need to find the line equation. That's it. So we know the rule in a square, diagonals bisect each other. With the bisect means they exactly midpoint. Also, diagonals is perpendicular. That is the important one. Okay, let's go for first. We'll find out PQ, gradient of PQ. Gradient of line PQ, which is change of y over change of x. So minus 5 minus 7 over 8 minus 4, which is minus 12 over 4, which is minus 3. Okay, so now gradient we got it. Next, this point we are going to this, I'll take as a O, the midpoint. So I'm going to find the midpoint O, because bisect, there's a rule of square. The diagonals bisect each other, they intersect in the midpoint. So midpoint is x1 plus x2. So 4 plus 8 over 2 and 7 minus 5 over 2, which is 12 by 2, which is 6, and this is 2 by 2, just 1. So midpoint also we got. Now I'm going to find a line SQ. So now the gradient of line SQ equal to negative reciprocal of line PR, because they are perpendicular. Perpendicular is negative reciprocal. So here is the gradient of PQ. Negative means it will become positive, and reciprocal, which is 1 by 3. The gradient we got. Then okay, so the line equation become y equal to 1 by 3x plus c. Line equation is y equal to mx plus c. M is the gradient, so I just applied. Now I'm going to find the c passing through the point, because the other line also passing through O. So passing through the point 6 comma 1, just substitute y equal to 1, 1 by 3 into x equal to 6 plus c. So 1 equal to 2 plus c. So which is minus 1 equal to c. So c equal to minus 1. So the equation is going to become y equal to 1 by 3x minus 1. But this is the line equation, but our answer is, see, there is no fraction, everything is integer. Also we have to give in the form of ay plus bx plus c. Ay equal to bx plus c. There is no fraction, so we are going to eliminate the fraction. Take LCM. Y equal to x minus 3 by 3. So bring the 3 here. 3y equal to x minus 3. That is the final answer. 3y equal to x minus 3. Yeah, so end of the sheet. Yeah, finished. Thank you.